Well, howdy there, folks. I wanted to show off my latest piece of furniture that I built for Erika. This is a chest of drawers that is made of heart pine, that is old longleaf pine, very resinous. And the pine is all salvaged from buildings that were being renovated in the FSU campus, or Baptist church that was being torn down. I got it real cheap, of course. So a lot of it was free. Erika, I'm kind of running out of woodworking projects, so Erika thought, oh, I'll have my dad build me a dresser, because you could make it to order, right? So she did, and the dresser kind of grew, and you can see it's quite large. It has 16 drawers. And I did it. There's something unusual about the way I built this. Normally one builds the case with the openings for the drawers, and then one builds the drawers to fit into those openings. Well, I thought, nah, measurement's a measurement. If you get it close enough, if you get it right, you can build the drawers first, and then build the case. And if you've got the measurements and angles right, they'll fit right in, right? How hard could it be? So I did that. And the drawers are actually quite a lot of work. They're dovetailed, and they're a lot of work. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides that have to be fitted into dovetails or sliding grooves and so on and so forth. So they're quite a bit of work. So I made the drawers, and then I made the case to the same dimensions. And it didn't work out entirely like I thought it would. There were quite a number of drawers that didn't fit well. So I had to pare down, plane, scrape some of the drawers, the sides, the tops, etc. But eventually I got them all to fit and slide in easily. So there you go. Now, in my last few years of furniture building, I've become very fond of LEDs. And I've used them to quite good effect in several pieces of furniture, and this is another one. Who wants a chest of drawers that when you open it, it's all dark inside and you can't see what there is? So when Erika has, a drawer full of black items, and she opens it, and she has to peer into it, and you can't see very well. So what I did was to put LEDs into each drawer, so that when you open the drawer, the LEDs go on, and when you close it, they go off. Pretty cool, huh? So now when there's a lot of black stuff in there, she can see what it is and pick it out rather easily. So this was, it was a big job, but I persevered. I think it took me, in all, probably 6 months. And it's finished now. It's finished with polyurethane, which is my favorite. And on Monday, the movers will come and pack it up and ship it to Erika in Chicago. And she'll put it in place of her IKEA chest of drawers. So this is a bit better. It's a move up. Anyway, it's great fun, and I love building furniture for Erika. I loved it building furniture for our house, but there is nothing more to build. So I've run out of woodworking projects, and yet I still have a lot of this heart pine, this beautiful wood. So it's not the worst problem to have, but I'd like to use it. It's on my mind. We'll see what happens. Anyway, that's it. This is going to Chicago on Monday, and the project will be done.